Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to remove all your Yahoo emails at once. We all know how easily an inbox can become cluttered, and sometimes a fresh start is the best solution. Whether you are managing years of old newsletters or just want to organize your digital life, I will walk you through the process in just a few simple steps. To begin, navigate to the Yahoo login page and enter your email address. This might be an account that is nearing its storage capacity or one that simply needs a thorough cleaning. After entering your details, click the Next button to reach the password entry screen. Carefully type in your password, making sure your information remains private. Once you have entered it, click Next again to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Once inside, you will see the long list of messages you have gathered over time. To clear them all quickly, find and click the Select All icon. This useful feature highlights every message currently displayed, so you do not have to select them individually. Please remember that if you have a large volume of mail spanning multiple pages, you may need to use the Select All function more than once to catch everything. After you have selected the messages you wish to remove, click on the Delete icon, which is usually represented by a trash bin. This will immediately move your selected emails into the trash folder, effectively clearing out your inbox. Yahoo might ask you to confirm this action to ensure you do not delete anything by mistake. If this prompt appears, simply click OK to proceed. Your inbox is now transformed from a chaotic mess into a clean and organized space. Keeping your mail tidy helps you stay focused on important tasks and reduces daily stress. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process easy for you. Please remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.